So the next question is write a pseudocode to print all the multiples of 5 between 10 and 25. So this is very simple program. So you can do this program yourself. This is no toughness of this any toughness of this program. So you can do this multiples of 5 between uh, 10 and 25, including both the 10 and 25. So uh, 10, 15, then 20, 25 is a multiple of 15. That is the answer. So it's a simple program, you can do yourself. So next question, given an example of a loop that is to be executed certain number of times. You can write any program. So because this is a direct question, no need to explain this question, you can do yourself. So next question, look at that this question. Suppose you have collect money for something, so you need 200 rupees. So you can ask to your parents, uncles, aunties, as well grandparents. Different people may give either 10, 20 or even 50. So you will collect it till the amount become 200. Write an algorithm. So this is simple program. So you want 200 rupees. You can take amount from different person. So you can take the amount until the total amount become 200. This is simple question. So okay, we can do. I will show. So initially our total amount become total amount become 0. So we know that we get 200 rupees only. So when the amount is greater than 200, that loop become exit. So our condition is while our total less than 200. So if it is greater than 200, loop become exit. So inside that loop we need to get the money from different person. So I use one variable cash. Cash is equal, take the input, int input, enter the cash. So here, then after getting the cash, we need to add this to the total. Total is equal to total plus cash. So this loop will be repeated until the total is less than 200. If the total is greater than 200, the loop will be exited. So after completing the loop, we just print the amount. Print, we collect how much money, the total, TOTA. So this is the simplest program. So we need to run that program, one module. So enter the cash. So in the question we can take it 10, 20 or 50. So I input first 10 rupees, then again 20 rupees, then 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. So we look at that 10, 13, 18, 100, 150, 170, 180, 230. So if we collect it to 230 rupees, so the amount is greater than 200, the loop will be automatically executed and the program terminated, which is the simplest program. Initially total becomes 0. Our condition is to get 200 rupees only. So if the amount is greater than 200, the loop will be exited. So while total less than 200, then input the cash from the uncle, auntie or anybody. So add that cash to the total amount. So loop will be repeated until the total is total is less than 200. When the total value greater than 200, loop will be exited, and after exiting we just print how much you earn from your parents. So this is the simplest program.